everyone, today I'm here with this incredible 2018 Dodge Charger GT, and it has amazing features inside that you will just love, including heated cooled seats, sunroof, and tons more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, one thing that will definitely attract you to this car is its plum crazy exterior color. I absolutely love that purple. It is so unique and it really stands out from all the other cars out there. You have your blacked out grille in the front and then your headlamps to the sides with accent lamps below. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so you have that power, you have that efficiency. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 19-inch wheels. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it will be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. And then making your way inside, this does have keyless entry. Alright, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are super comfortable, and you have the perforation down the middle because they are heated and ventilated. So, super comfortable, all kinds of weather, you'll be comfortable. And then you have your steering wheel with your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls. It also has adaptive cruise control, so that will allow you to not have to reset your cruise control if somebody slow is in front of you. It's just really helpful with that. You also have your media controls in the back and paddle shifters, so you can take full control. Then looking at your media center, this is an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You have your media controls. If you plug in your own device or connect it with Bluetooth, you can control your music from right there. Here is your climate controls. So they are dual, so you can either have them synced or have opposite temperatures if you want to. You also have your different apps with Uconnect, so your projection manager, so if you want to project your phone screen onto your media center screen, you can. Wi-Fi hotspot if you want to subscribe to that, all of your settings and everything. But one thing I love is your performance pages. So this allows you to have a really hands-on look about what's underneath your hood. This car in particular has only 15 miles on it at time of recording, so you know, you want to make sure everything is just perfect, so it'll have a super long life and everything. So you can see right here you have all of your home stuff. You have timers if you want to use those, different gauges, your G-force, your engine, and your dyno right there. This also has your performance control right there, so all of your different setups if you want to have for drive, sport, default, all of that right there. So here are your controls for your heated cooled seats and your heated steering wheel. You have your navigation system, so super helpful. This is brought to you by Garmin, so you know it's a reliable map, and that'll help you get to your destination really easily. And then you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages. And when this is on and in reverse, you have a backup camera, super clear picture. You even have those guidelines to help you out when you move your steering wheel. It'll show you where your tires are headed. So down below you have all of your radio and climate controls in button form, but you also have your sensing system, your lane departure warning, super track pack, and your sport mode right there. Have a 12-volt here, 2 cup holders. You can slide that, keep it from getting dust or anything in there. And then you have more room inside of your center console. This can pop out. You have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt down there. And then looking up, you have SOS Assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and then controls to your sunroof. So let's some nice fresh air from outside. Making your way out, this has a Beats sound system with that amplified sound and a subwoofer. In the back, you have room for 3 passengers. You can fold down your cup holder armrest. It has 2 cup holders and a little compartment right there. And these seats are heated. You have your 2 heated buttons with 2 USB ports. And you can also fold this down to give you some extra space in your trunk if you need it. You have a little bit of a spoiler coming up off the side. And you have your tail lamps that stretch all the way across the back, which I love. You have your rear sensing system to alert you to any objects behind your vehicle, and this does have that dual exhaust with a remote start and a power trunk on your key fob. So looking into the trunk, it is super spacious, lots of room, you know, inside the trunk and just inside the vehicle. And then you have your Beats subwoofer right there. So overall, everything about this vehicle is amazing. The color, the features, just everything. So if you want to see this Dodge Charger or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well, thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.